Harmonic Dissector is a dual multimode filter based on one of the stranger modular filter designs from the 1970s. The original design had a lot of character, and some modern interpretations expanded it with additional filter modes. That is the direction I took here as well, because it makes the whole thing much more flexible, without losing the oddness that makes it worth using. Each filter section has independent frequency, Q resonance, bandwidth, drive, level, modulation, and pan. The frequency and bandwidth modulations are driven by two shared LFOs that affect the two filters in opposite directions. That gives you a plugin with a nice built-in sense of movement and interaction. The LFOs can run as sine triangle or sample and hold random. And with tempo sync on, the rates follow your host clock. There is also a vactrol emulation on the internal modulation, which adds a slight bleed and softens the behavior in a way I find really appealing. Push it with faster modulation for a more unusual character, or turn it off entirely if you want something harsher and less polite. You also get a sidechain input for external modulation of the filter frequency, and that path always uses the vactrol behavior as part of the sound. Personally, I use Harmonic Dissector less as a clean and polite filter and more as a way to add grit, dirt and distortion to a signal path. It can sweep, of course, but I think it's much more interesting once you treat it as a character processor. If this sounds interesting, check out unusable.net for more information. Thanks for watching.